Have you ever wanted to swap your face with a hero? Or imagined your face on a muscular body? Today, I'm going to introduce you to the best FaceSwap AI. Fast, accurate, and free! To access the FaceSwap AI, simply click the link in the description below this video. This is the interface of FaceSwapper AI, and to use the FaceSwap feature, you click on this button. First, click Add Face Image to upload the photo containing the face you want to swap. Then, in the next step, select Add Target Image to upload the photo where you want to apply that face. After that, click the Start Face Swapping button. In just a few seconds, the AI will process and swap the faces for you. It's super quick and easy. And now I'm a superhero. Do you think I look handsome? Please say yes in the comment box. See you and take care.